Hey guys, Vic from Airbowl here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier. And in today's video, I'm going to unbox the AirSense 10 AutoSet 4G device. So if you ordered it from us, you would receive it in a box just like this. And you can just open up the side panels. And here is your travel case that your device is pre-packed in. Okay, so if we open up the bag, there is a nice shoulder strap here as well. In the front of the bag, there's also a zippered pocket for any files you may want to store. If you open it, there is your instruction manual up top. And then on the bag itself, there's a central divisor with Velcro, and it has images showing where everything should be stored. So if you open this up, on the spine of the bag, you have your pre-packed Climate Line Air heated tubing. So this is the tubing that prevents condensation buildup. You have your AirSense 10 device itself. You have the water chamber for your AirSense 10. And then you have your power adapter with a built-in transformer. So you can actually travel anywhere with this device and it will adjust the voltage accordingly. So all of this comes with your equipment. On the side of the machine where your air inlet is, there is also a filter that is pre-installed. And that would be all the contents of your device. Mask would be sold separately, and you can get that from our website at airbowl.ca. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like and subscribe button.